Hey there guys, now if you guys were searching for some tiny, sleek house kits, you're at the right place. And we're going to be talking about some really stylish, affordable, and oh so cozy tiny homes that are perfect for living on a budget. And trust me guys, these small-sized gems are packed with tons of charm at just $5,000. So, you guys excited? Let's dive in. Number 1. The Glen Echo Cabin. Let's start with the basics. The Glen Echo Cabin is a petite gem coming in at around 80 square feet. But don't let this small size fool you. This tiny house packs a punch when it comes to style and functionality. One of the first things that caught my eye about the Glen Echo Cabin is its timeless design. With red cedar siding, a charming gable roofline, and a cozy loft, it's the epitome of classic tiny house charm. But what really sets it apart is its roomy overhang. Not only does it create extra storage space inside, but it also adds a covered porch that's just begging for a couple of rocking chairs and a pitcher of lemonade. Talk about inviting. Now, here's where it gets even better. Summerwood, the genius behind the Glen Echo Cabin, provides sample floor plans for their tiny home kits for sale. Wait, there's more! If you're feeling creative and want to customize the interior design of this cheap tiny house kit, Summerwood has got you covered with their DIY planning tools, graph paper download, and even a free floor planner online drawing tool. So you can let your imagination run wild and create the tiny house of your dreams. Now, let's talk about the build process, because I know that might be on your mind. You see, if you're all about saving time and effort, you can order the Glen Echo Cabin as a pre-cut kit from Summerwood's website. That means no need to painstakingly measure and cut framing or siding. It's all done for you. Now, if you're willing to splurge an extra $3,000, you can go for the pre-assembled kit option. This means that all the major structural components, like walls, trusses, and floors, are already built and framed for you. Of course, some assembly is still required, but it's a breeze compared to starting from scratch. So, you can save even more time and effort and get closer to living the tiny house dream. Now, let's come to the cost. Well, there's the icing on the cake, guys. The Glen Echo Cabin kit comes in at a budget-friendly price of $4,826. Yep, you heard that right. For under $5,000, you can have your very own contemporary tiny house. That's not only stylish and functional, but also customizable and easy to build. It's like a dream come true for those of us who want to live large in a tiny space without breaking the bank. Number 2. The Arched Cabin. You see, one of the first things that caught my attention about the Arched Cabin is its curved roof. There's just something so mesmerizing and soothing about the organic shape of this home. It's like living in a work of art. And the best part? Arched Cabins offers a wide array of sizes, including their most economical option, a 120 square foot tiny house kit that's only $2,650. Yep, you heard that right. You can have your very own tiny home for a fraction of the cost of a traditional house. Now, you might be thinking, 120 square feet? That's tiny. And I would say you're not wrong. But let me tell you, this tiny house kit is designed to make the most out of every inch of space. It's perfect as an airy one-bedroom, and the 12-foot height allows for a roomy lofted bedroom that's just as cozy as it is functional. I mean, who wouldn't want to sleep in a loft like a modern-day princess or prince? Am I right? But wait, there's more. For just an extra $1,000, you can upgrade your Arched Cabin kit with some awesome features. How about more roofing color options to choose from? With 23 colors available, including Energy Star-rated colors, you can customize your tiny home to reflect your unique style. And if you're a fan of cozy winter nights by the fireplace, the upgrade package also includes a fireplace thimble, so you can snuggle up and enjoy the warmth of a crackling fire. Also, the Arched Cabin takes insulation seriously. With the insulation upgrade from R13 to R25 for the arched walls, you can be sure that your tiny home will be comfortable and energy efficient all year round. No more shivering in the winter or sweating in the summer. So, what do you think? Number 3. The Allwood Annika. The Annika Cabin is a fun grown-up version of those childhood memories. The Annika features a pentagon-shaped floor plan, giving it a modern and eye-catching look that's sure to impress your friends and family. And the cathedral-type roof design adds a touch of elegance, reminiscent of pavilions you might see in a fancy park. But what really sets it apart is the wood species used, Nordic pine. Unlike other cabins that use Nordic spruce, the Annika Cabin boasts the beauty and durability of Nordic pine, which is known for its natural resistance to decay and pests. So you can trust that your Annika Cabin will stand the test of time, even in the harshest of weather conditions. Now let's talk about space. The Annika may be compact, with a size of 73 square feet, but it's designed to make the most out of every inch. The sidewall window allows for plenty of natural light to flood in, making the cabin feel bright and airy. And because of its unique floor plan, you can place it in the back corner of your site and still enjoy a panoramic view of your entire backyard. Also, the Annika Cabin can be whatever you want it to be. Need a home office where you can work in peace and quiet? Annika's got you covered. Want a cozy yoga or music studio where you can let your creativity flow? This is the perfect space. Need a pool or lake house for those weekend getaways? Annika is up for the challenge. Or maybe you just need a guest cottage for when friends and family come to visit. In short, Annika can make it all happen. But what really sets the Annika Cabin apart is its unbeatable price point. At just $4,995, it's one of the most affordable tiny house kits on the market. Number 4. The Sonoma Cabin. First off, let's talk about size. The Sonoma Cabin comes in at around 112 square feet. This tiny house packs a punch when it comes to style and functionality. With its angular, low-profile roofline, the Sonoma Cabin has a subtle flair that sets it apart from other tiny houses. It's not overly complicated, but it definitely catches the eye with its sleek and modern design. It's the perfect size for a cozy retreat, a backyard office, or even a weekend getaway spot. And when talking about the cost, the Sonoma Cabin comes in at a jaw-droppingly affordable price of just $4,826. Yep, you heard that right. For under $5,000, you can get yourself this top-notch tiny house kit that's ready to be assembled and customized to your heart's content. And let's not forget about the quality of materials used in the cabin. It's made using high-quality and durable materials that are built to last. So you can trust that your tiny house will be sturdy and reliable, standing up to the test of time and weather. Alright? Finally, number 5. The Gable Tiny House. Now, Gable is in a league of its own. Let's start with the basics. Being at approximately 64 square feet, this tiny house packs a big punch. One of the things that sets the Gable apart is how easy it is to save money during the build. Jamaica Cottage Shop has made it totally simple with its shed conversion option. Yep, you heard that right. A shed conversion. It's like turning a regular shed into a cozy, livable space. How cool is that? The Gable is also available as a 4-season pre-cut kit, so you'll have everything you need to make it suitable for full-time tiny house living. No need to stress about missing any crucial components, it's all included. Now basically, the major fun is when you know that the Gable is like a blank canvas, just waiting for you to unleash your creativity. With its one-bedroom cabin feel, you can customize it to your heart's content. The possibilities are endless, and you can truly make it your own. How's that? Anyways guys, these are some of the best contemporary tiny house kits for sale under $5,000. Now let me ask you this, who knew that big dreams could come in such tiny packages, huh? I mean, with these kits, you can embrace the minimalist lifestyle, get creative with your own unique design, and have a cozy, stylish home without breaking the bank. So what do you guys think? Which one of these 5 is your favorite? Do drop your views in the comment section below, and we'll meet in another episode. Until then, bye!